goggles fell off.
And what's in my goggles?
No, it's fine. I think I'm getting new ones anyway.
And can I help you? Yeah. And then we have to pat it. Yeah. Yeah, we're almost done.
You guys need to go for like the wet sand though.
Nah. It's too hard to find a wet sand. It's too hard. Are you sitting on the rug? Coming through.
I got sand all up in my bathing suit.
Yeah, sand is messy. That's the problem.
Wait.
It's a heavy one.
Okay, now
I wonder if sand. What's it originate from? Did somebody did a man put this here?
No.
Or was it just naturally here?
Yes. There's some beaches that are man-made. You'll have to have your dad help you get wet sand when he's done in the water.
Yeah, I'm going to wet sand.
It works better if the sand is wet.
Okay.
She's gonna get wet sand.
We're gonna do this. No, it's already done. Yeah, it's double. Alright. Yeah, that's it.